Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaBee, and today I'm trying out this kit that I found on Amazon for the low. It came with everything, y'all. Like, I couldn't believe how much this kit came with. It came with this nail lamp. It came with this bag full of goodies. It had a dampen dish. It had like a fluffy brush, some nail clippers, some nail designs, some files, the polygel brush. Y'all, it just goes on and on and on. Like, just keep watching. Kit also came with 8 polygel colors. All of the colors are right there. 2 of them are color changing. I didn't even swatch them because I'm going to be using those in the video. So I basically just applied these tips that I also got from Amazon. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box. And I applied alcohol to dehydrate my nails. And then I came through with the base gel and I cured it for 30 seconds. So I really couldn't decide which color I wanted to try. So this is the ombre color. It goes from pink to beige, which really kind of looks like a white. And then they have this nude color and this pink. I knew I wanted to use these colors. I also wanted to use milk, which I don't know why I didn't show y'all this right now, but you'll see that. So the colors I decided to go with right here are pink. And then the other color that I'm using today will be the milk color that came in there, as well as the pure, which is their clear. Now, y'all know how I am about clears. Their clear is phenomenal. It is a true clear. Like, you see straight through it. So I really enjoyed working with their clear as well. So I'm just gonna work and like randomly do some stuff. Like, I did the pink. This is the milk right here on this nail. And then I'm gonna do an ombre on the pinky, and I don't even really want to call it a marbling on the middle nail. I just really just dabbed some colors and made it work. So I'll just let you watch me work. So I've been getting questions on how I ombre my nails when I'm using polygel. Basically, I start like closer to the tip and I just apply a really thin layer of white, and I kind of just smooth it out going in an upwards direction. So I keep it super thin, just kind of brush it up a little bit. So that way it's not like a super hard line. And then I usually cure the nail. So while it was, I hadn't cured it yet, I went ahead and did this nail. And like I said, I just kind of mixed the colors. It's not like a marbled or anything. I just kind of threw the nails on there, the color, and worked on it because I knew I was putting a design on top of this. So I just really wasn't too concerned on having like a legit marbled look. So after I cured my nails, I came in with the pink color and I basically kind of like ball it up. I know this sounds crazy, but this is how it works for me. So I start smoothing, I kind of get an idea how much polygel I have or need, and then I go up and I kind of make this ball, okay? This is my way of building my apex. and fading the color easier. So you can see that it's basically a harsh line, and then I just softly start bringing that line down. Now if the ball is not fading, I add just a little bit more polygel, and then I kind of do the same thing. I kind of build it up into one line, and then I slowly work my way down the nail. So as you get down, if you start to notice like, okay, I'm not liking it, it's covering too much, you just thin it out as much as possible and then swipe over and remove that polygel. So you'll see me come through and kind of swipe over and remove some of that polygel right there, and then fade it down again. So you kind of just remove and fade until you get the desired look. And then once I do that, I cure, and then I come with my clear and I encapsulate it. So that way when I'm filing, I don't mess up my design. So let's talk about this polygel. So okay, y'all, this clear just automatically got me because it was so clear, and I'm just, you know, clear just does that to me. I love a good clear polygel. So the pros of this polygel is very soft, very, very, very easy to work with. It was not sticky whatsoever. The only con I have for this polygel is it might have been a little too thin, but also in all fairness, I did have my heater blasting, so that could be why it was moving a little bit more than what I would like. But I definitely would rate this polygel a 9 out of 10. Just really liked it. So I decided I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look. So I applied a matte top coat from iGel Beauty, cured it, and then I came in and just kind of, you know, did my little thing. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know what it's like. But I just wanted to say, whoever this company is, I don't remember, Marvon or something like that, definitely like them. I would put them in my top 5 polygels because these nails really lasted and they were very, very durable. So I really enjoyed this polygel overall. So if you're looking for a cheap kit, they got a lot of stuff in it, this is the way to go. But if you made it to this point in my video, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on. And let me know what you think of these nails, and I appreciate it. So I will see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.